Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use or apply the format painter for text boxes in your PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. So open up Microsoft PowerPoint, navigate to your presentation and select the slide. Let me go with these two because that slide here features two text boxes. So we can choose, for example, the format of that text box and apply it to that one. This is how it works. What you need to do, guys, is click into the given text box, highlight the text, and from that text formatting menu, select this one here, Format Painter. Enable it, and after that, simply apply it to the text here you'd like to use. So again, select this option, and after that, highlight the text. And that's how it works. As you can see now, in these, well, except that one word here at the beginning. So let me apply it to it as well. And that's how it works. The same format, the same color, the same word art. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.